Our colors for today are going to be Indian yellow hue, golden, Quercetinum burnt orange, golden, cream, which is several different paints. There's to make a creamy white. This is Latte, Whitehaven, and Simplicity with just a drop of burnt umber, just to make it a little more tan. Lamp Black and Titanium White cell activators with 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. Those are both Amsterdam. There's no time like the present to subscribe, so smash that button. Pillow paint. Important. Things work better. Latte Whitehaven mixture, Latte Whitehaven and Limited Simplicity. The simplicity is what gives it that velvety. I mean, this is gorgeous. And it does very strange things for it. Do it exactly like I did last time. I'm going to put my black cell activator down first. Followed by the white. Generally speaking, you can use the same colors and put even the same order. You might get something that looks similar, but you'll never get the same. So here we go. Cells dug up really nicely. One of the reasons I like the white on top of the black is because you get these ringed cells. Okay, let's modify it. Hate to break that up. Don't really want to do it. I'm just going to let it go. I could do petal 3 over there. Okay, I'm going to give it a soft spin. A little harder just so I can get some more of the color off the side so I can get my corners. Time to spin for effect. Okay. I stopped it because I see my drips getting too far out, and boy, did I overspin. But that's okay. This is a different piece. You see how we're doing as far as paint. Oh yeah, that's plenty. That's plenty enough. It's about time for the flyover. I really love these outline cells. It's probably one of my favorite things about this piece. The cells actually held together, and I just couldn't be, I don't think I could be unhappy with this piece. So let me know what you think down in the comments. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here and hope that you got something out of this. See you next time. Bye for now.